Hi, good afternoon. This is Yaniv from G6 Trading with our daily recap, the last one for this week, the week that will end 19th of April 2013. Actually, we had a week you can check on our blog, g6trading.com, check all our calls from this week on our blog. We had 4 days prior to this Friday session, three of them down. One was zero with no calls, but today we managed to take a home run with four trades and four calls on the trading room and add to the weekend positive even this week. So let's get right back to the charts and see what we have done today, what we call today. So very early into the morning, we try to show Dell. This is a 2-minute setup. We try to show that right here around the 1340 area and cover just above half the day of 1346 for almost 1 hour last on this trade. We did a second try on Dell with a setup that we call a G3 setup. Tried it here on a 5 minutes base below 1347. Stop was 1351. We covered some half at 1342. That was just about 1 hour, but the stock couldn't break low of the day, and we waited for a pivot here and then lowered the stop here for a pivot here and closed it just after lunchtime into the close at 1341, which was a low of the day at this time almost, and a lot of buyers was in this area. That was a 1 point winner, and that covered for the early loss on Dell. Trade of the day, trade of the week came from IBM. IBM after earnings, gapping down, doing a massive trade, massive candle, very wide range candle on the 2 minutes from the beginning of the day for trading. Our target area on the daily was the 190 area. That was the target that we wanted. And as traders, what we teach our traders in the trading room is to try to find the best risk reward opportunities. That's what it is all about. And we found it here on the 2-minute setup. Below 193.95, stop was 194.50. To first partial in this area for third size 193, almost 2 hours on a 55 cents stop. We took some, covered some here in this area, low of the day, and waited for pivots until we got to this area of the 190. That was the area that was our target for this trade. Total of 3.6 hours winner on this one, and the last call was by one late in the day, was a 15-minute setup, HPQ, also a gap that started to get very low in the morning, and then they got stuck up with the momentum with the market into the moving average area. So that was another narrow range bar area to catch a good risk reward trade below 75. Stop was 86. This one didn't quite do it. We had to cover a little bit early for just more than 1 hour for the first half, and then above this last pivot here into the close, last 30 minutes of trading at 3:36 in the afternoon for 1967, another 0.9 hour, and total for this day was 4.7 hours. And you can check our blog for all the calls from this week. Have a nice weekend, everyone. We will see you next week with new calls and new recaps.